Okay, so here's my beach mining setup I just put together. It's a recirculating system with a GoldCube, a small sluice. The sluice only had miner's moss in it before, but I put some matting in there. It's just the cheap stuff. It's cut it to fit 4 different styles of riffles. And then I got the bucket flare, and I made a silicone mat to go in there. I put 2 scoops through it so far of concentrates or just stuff that I've already ran. There's about 15 gallons here. I'm going to run it again. I just got mats from Washington Beach Mining for my 2 boxes. I bought for 4 boxes. I'm still waiting on my other trays. So I can put together the other 2 levels, but we're getting ready to go up north this weekend and try this out. So because I can't have 4 levels, I'm going to try this outflow sluice and see if I catch anything that way. And I got a shallow V-riffle mat up here for inspection. I made this bar right here out of some stainless plate that I had and bent it, and so I can loosen that up and take that out, change it. So I'm going to run all this dirt through here and see if I missed any gold with the original GoldCube matting, the Vortex stuff. See if there was anything left behind. So I'll get it through and update you in a bit. It's finished running, so I'm ready to do a cleanup on it. I've already unhooked the water hose from the pump, from the village pump. So I'm going to unhook the sluice from the GoldCube first. I'm using this tote right here to clean everything out in. Set that in there. I have a garden hose. Rinse that off good. Rinse off this matting. Under the matting, I had a layer of miner's moss still. Off. Take this top tray, tip it sideways so the riffles are running that way. Mine's not glued in, so I have an option of not running it or changing the style matting I put up top for inspection. Wanted to get a silicone mat made up for up there. See if that works any better. These are my new mats from Washington Beach Mining. They're called the Sawtooth mat. They're all about half full. I don't see any visible gold, but honestly, I'm not really expecting to. I've already run all this material once before, so this is just a double check to see if it catches anything that the Vortex matting missed the first time around. They sure do hold a lot of material in there. That's that. And then last, I got the bucket flare, which I did make a silicone mat for. And it caught some stuff. It's riffles there. This is a mat that I poured and it didn't work out well, so I just used a knife and I cut riffles in it with a big kitchen knife I use for cutting briskets. So it worked okay, I guess. It caught material, so can't be bad. So I'm going to take all this material here and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to run it through a concentrator sluice when we get back from our trip. And I'll run it through separate than the stuff I collect on the trip because I want to see if there's any gold left over in here that we missed the first time around. So I'll get back with you when I get it finished up. Okay, I got the cleanup sluice set up here. And this is classified material, concentrated material from the Washington Beach Mining Sawtooth mats. And this is material that I had already run through my GoldCube with the Vortex mats. And we're going to see if the Sawtooth mats were able to pick up anything that the Vortex mats might have missed. So I'm going to get this run through here, and I will get back to you when I am ready to do the reveal. Okay, here it is, the final cleanup from the Sawtooth mats. This is from 15 gallons of material that I ran through the Vortex mats, and that is what they missed. And that is a little bit of gold there for sure. So I believe that it is definitely worth getting the Sawtooth mats to catch that extra gold if you're planning on doing a lot of prospecting. Because if you lose that much every time you go out, that's a substantial amount what it'll add up to in the end. So it's not too bad. I'm going to add it to this vial I got right here. And this is everything that I had gotten from my first 2 trips to Lake Superior, Muskellunge State Park. And I am cleaning up right now from the 3rd trip. So I'll be posting a video on that, and we did way better on the 3rd trip than we did on the first 2. So that ought to be exciting as well. So we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.